Hi everyone, welcome to the Fun Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make medium rare steak with 3 slices. I hope you enjoy. Let's start cooking. First, we wash the steaks. Make sure you cut out the extra fats. Then dry all the meats with paper towel. Now start seasoning. Let it marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Now we wash all the shrimps. Start seasoning all the shrimps. Wash the beans. Cut the ends. Cut it into short strips. Chop up the garlic. First, rinse the frozen corn. Boiling 2 separate pots of water. Once the water is hot, put in the vegetable. Boil the beans for 3 minutes. Put in the corn. Boil the corn to take away the freezer smell. Once the water is bubbling, turn off the fire and remove the corn from the water right away. For the corn, we would melt the butter in a heated pot. Let's start cooking steak. Add some butter to the wok. Add the Put in the steaks. We make high fire. Close the lid for 1.5 minutes. Remove the lid, flip the steak. If you like it saltier, you can add some soy sauce to it. Blend the soy sauce to the entire steaks. Steak is ready. Add garlic to the same wok. Add beans to it. Mix it well, cook for 2 minutes, and we're done. Add a little bit of water if it's too dry. Cook for 2 minutes and we're done. Now we cook shrimp. Add shrimp to wok on high fire. Cook shrimp 1 minute for one side and turn. Cook for another minute and done. Corn is also ready. Finally, this is our medium rare steak with 3 slices. How do you like it? Let me know in a comment. Leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.